Good afternoon. Welcome to the Professor Dor Show. Here is nearly 4 p.m. Nairobi, the capital city of Kenya. Hope your day has been okay from wherever in the world you're watching me from. Today I want to talk about big dreams. Have big dreams. What do I mean by have big dreams? When you have an idea, you need to actualize it. Maybe you have an idea. You're good in tailoring and you want to start a small shop, but you don't have the money to begin. But you know someone who has a tailor shop and you are on good terms with them, you can go and work under them. Gain that money, know which machines are good for the tailoring shop, for the tailoring network, so that when you start your place, you already have networks, you know the do's and don'ts of tailoring. The same as being a chef. You have gone to school, you have learned to be a chef, no jobs, you have online. You can start baking from your home, get an audience, subscribers, and then from them take them on a journey as you cook them cuisines. In fact, these days YouTube, you can just have 1,000 subscribers and earn from it. When you get your first paycheck, you start your own small place. It can be a kiosk, it can be what, as long as you get the licensing from the county government. Once your business is licensed, you go and begin. I know people have a story of a young man who was very passionate about these things of making shoes. So he'll get leather and make shoes. So at the time, people started approaching, shoes, imported shoes are very expensive. Kenya doesn't manufacture anything. We don't even manufacture toothpicks. So he was making handmade shoes for people. In time, he started making for his school children. These days in our schools, especially primary, parents can buy uniform anyway. It's only in high school whereby now they have the suppliers. So he started selling people, taking the children to primary school or what you call elementary school. Time he had so many, from having one customer, he started, he has now over 1,000 customers who buy his shoes for school children, for women, for all kinds of people. That's what I'm saying, you need to have big dreams. Like now, I've started this idea of online learning of English. A basic course of English, if you want a diploma, you want a certificate, it will cost you a minimum of 20,000 Kenya shillings. That is around, give or take, that's around $100. That's around $1,200. Yeah, something like $1,200. But through my online courses, you only pay 5,000 Kenya shillings. I don't know, that's what, around, can we talk of $30? Yeah, $30 as opposed to $1,200. You see, my course is cheap, but the content is, you get quality. You learn from your own convenience, whether it's your phone, your laptop, through Google Classroom. This is a teacher with over 20 years experience. There's nothing I cannot be able to teach you about English. I know everything about English. I can make you to improve your grammar, your vocabulary, writing skills, public speaking, project writing. I know the do's and don'ts. That's what I'm saying. Have big dreams. You can have an idea and then you conceptualize it, because now we're in the virtual age. Assuming you have an idea of starting even a school, you don't have land, you don't have what else, you can start virtually One day you'll get money and you start physically, but you must start somewhere. And even the world is virtual. You see, when you have a physical school, you are limited to the people who are in your area. Virtually, I can offer English classes to a student from Thailand. I can offer English classes for a student from Singapore, from Mexico. You see, virtually, you can offer cooking classes to someone in America. They want to know local traditional cuisine, which you use a jiko. You can improvise, but you can learn your traditional cuisine online. You understand? So, have big dreams that will earn you big money. You see, the world now is virtual, it's a global village. I'm in Kenya. Maybe to travel to America is difficult. It will take me time to reach America. But someone in America can watch me, can like my content, can see what I'm trying to do. Someone in another country who doesn't know English can learn from me and learn English. Maybe my course is unique because I use both English and Kiswahili. You know, most people in East Africa, in fact in Africa, most Africans are multilingual. Why? They speak their first language, stroke mother tongue. They speak the official language, in our case English. They speak their national language, in our case Kiswahili. Those are three languages. We even have others who know French, who know Chinese. So Africans are multilingual. And our languages are rich and important. It's just that English helps you to reach a wider audience. Someone in Canada who knows English will be able to understand you regardless of where you are. You understand? That's why I'm saying have big dreams. You are sitting there in your house today, don't have a job, but you have an idea. You need to conceptualize it. And then use your phone. These days, I don't know how everyone is having an iPhone. Put it online. Start. There's someone, solve somebody's problem. When you have big dreams, it means you are able to solve people's problems. Someone has a problem, they want to know how to cook, you solve them. Someone has a problem on keeping fit, to give them ideas. Someone has problems, maybe they want to know a new dancing style to keep fit, you showcase your dancing, your skills. Someone doesn't know how to build a house, you start your building your house as you document. As you build your house, you document each and every step. Then, okay, you buy land, yes, you buy the concrete, you buy the ballast, you buy the cement, you buy the sand. These are things I've said because I've watched them on YouTube. You understand? So you think, have big dreams. Any idea in the world can work. You just need to give it 100%. Keep on repeating it until you become the best. And they always say it is sunlight. It's the darkest before daybreak. It's darkest before daybreak. Before you just hit that thing that you are looking for, make that breakthrough in whatever you have in your mind, whatever skill, talent you have. That's when you think that everything is about to go haywire. When you're just about to lose hope, just know that's when things are about to get better for you. That's the way the world is. It's like soccer. A team is trying to equalize. Time is up. The referee is about to blow the final whistle. And then they score a goal, equalizing. And 1 minute later, they score the winning goal. And they were losing hope because it was extra time. They have put maybe 3 minutes. Now they think it's done, but they scored the equalizing goal in the second minute. The referee adds 2 more minutes because people celebrated. They scored the winning goal. So if you're a young man listening to me or woman, just have big dreams, actualize them. The internet is there for you. Do positive things and people will follow you. This is the Professor Dor Show. If you like what I'm saying, you can send something on the mobile number there. +254 769 729 327. +254 769 729 327. And as I always say, Gwaheri ya kuonana, gwaheri.